Right in the heart of natural beauty and amidst pristine forest of central India, a new education mission was launched by the Jain Group to carry the torch of knowledge into the darkness of tribal Bastar region and illumine the minds in this part of the world. And that is Adeshwar Academy. Adeshwar Academy is a confluence of ancient and modern visions, Eastern and Western culture. Here, the pupil will be ready to step out from nature's lap into a globalized environment. Education here is to bring out the best in the pupil to make him intellectually tough, physically sound, emotionally adjusted, and morally upright.
Here at Adeshwar, our aim is to make the learning process interesting and enlightening so that the children learn with interest and develop the higher values of life. In order to make Adeshwar a full-fledged academy, we are to affiliate ourselves with the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education.
Adeshwar Academy is located about 5 kilometers from the city of Jagdalpur and is well connected. It sits quite in the middle of Sylvan retreat, surrounded on 3 sides by ancient trees, far away from the bumble and bustle of the city. It seems to meditate in the silence of nature so that young minds may flower in joy and creativity.
Learning at Adeshwar is by exploration rather than by pumping in. A pupil does his education starting with the 2 A's of alphabet and arithmetic.
P for parrot. P for parrot. 4, 5.
By trail and test methods, the child grows his individuality both in book lore and fine arts. The school exposes its students to a variety of classroom activities in all subjects. Group discussion on topical subjects are especially emphasized. A low teacher-student ratio ensures personal attention to all. At Adeshwar Academy, English language is the medium of instruction and studied as first language. In order to ensure the child is at home in the present-day Silicon Valley, computer education is compulsory right from Standard 1.
The vision behind this educational mission launched by the Jain Group is to prepare the pupil to face the present-day global competition. Jain Group is committed for mobilizing and utilizing their funds for a noble and pedagogical purpose. This philanthropic drive ensures that all pieces in the educational ventures will be in place.
Adeshwar Academy has very sophisticated infrastructure of ambience and gadgetry and ample trained human resources. Airy, commodious classrooms, well-equipped computer lab, well-stocked library cum reading rooms. Every child gets good emotional support and academic guidance and advancement. Adeshwar is a second family to every child. It is definitely a home away from home. Every child is ensured good health through regular medical care with specialized doctors.
Counseling is a special feature of Adeshwar, both for students as well as parents. Counselors are trained to understand the student's psyche, to list out their choices, to channelize the ability of child in proper direction.
Counselors at Adeshwar help parents to understand their children's ability and communicate in better productive way. There are two types of education. One should teach us how to make living and other how to live. Freedom of expression makes more talented individuals. At Adeshwar, we encourage students in expressing their joy of living in various art forms like music, drama, drawing, and painting, etc.
At Adeshwar, teachers are so friendly and caring. It feels as if I am at home. Going to school was never so exciting. I am thankful to my parents for bringing me to Adeshwar.
A sound mind in a sound body is a timeless gem of wisdom. From the beginning of time, humans have endeavored to get stronger, faster, higher and more skillful. Keeping this in mind, Adeshwar provides generously for sports and athletics, yoga and meditation. Sports has a major allocation of time and attention in the school timetable, which ultimately develops winning attitude in the student, as sure winning isn't everything, it is the only thing. As a result of which, students at Adeshwar have achieved top positions in various sports at state, national and international levels.
The best thing about Adeshwar, I think, was the coordination, the relationship between the teachers and the students. Earlier, my child, I think, is a bit introvert by nature, but after joining the school, he has developed so many things. He has improved, like he mixes with other people now very well.
The school has a modern kitchen with high standards of hygiene being maintained, as we are aware that nation's health is built in its kitchen. Pure vegetarian, wholesome and toothsome food prepared by trained chefs and cooks with cleanliness. Variety of culinary products and balanced nutrition is of top priority at Adeshwar. The board of directors have definite plans to expand the academy in all aspects in the years to come. Handing over a tradition of knowledge, Adeshwar Academy.